agent, if you're debating whether you should become a Medicare insurance agent in this coming year, and you feel like you're confused, you feel like you're kind of lost in the desert here, well, this video is for you, okay? And before I dive into this, jasonfinalexpense.com, I'm so blessed to partner with some of the most amazing men and women across this nation, selling things like life insurance, Medicare insurance, and annuities, face-to-face, but more importantly, in the telespace. So if you need help, reach out, jasonfinalexpense.com. I do recruit agents across the nation as well, so if I can serve you, by all means, reach out. We can absolutely have a conversation. But when you first start off as an agent, and you think about it, a lot of times we become thirsty for something that we don't have. We want freedom. We want to find ourselves in the most successful place, but maybe this is what you're seeing, okay? The desert is a place where you feel like you're deserted. And that's why if you're in a position where you want to become a Medicare insurance agent or a life insurance agent, it's so important that you are intentional in, okay, and who is mentoring you. Understand that in this vast desert, there are places of an amazing, okay, oasis. There's oases in the middle of the desert. And a lot of insurance agents, when they first start, they're kind of in a place where maybe they feel deserted, they feel like they're not being trained and taught, and they start stepping into places where they get tripped up, okay? If you want to dominate the life insurance space, it's important that you make sure you're leveraged properly. So make sure you vet your trainer, point number one. The second tip that I want to share with you is make sure that you're in a position where you've got transferable skill sets. Make sure that someone's going to really help you understand the business. It'll make you a beast, it'll make you better, but your partnership in who is with you is of the utmost importance. So don't ever feel like you're overwhelmed. Make sure that you've got a good partner in the business that can help you translate what needs to take place so you can leverage in a wiser, more wealthy way. So who mentors you is very important as a new agent, but make sure that you're deliberate in what you say. So make sure you've got good scripting, the right carriers, that's important. You could be in the right profession, but maybe you've got the wrong carriers. Maybe you work with an agency that only has one company. Make sure you got lots of good options so that you can be leveraged to help your client get what they want. It's not about being pushy. That's not what the business is about. And the business does get kind of a bad name because there's a lot of pushy salesmen, a lot of pushy insurance agents. You can do better, you can be better, all right? That's why it's important to have good methods and have a good mentor. So if you're in a place where it seems scary, okay, it seems like you're going to be dry and dehydrate yourself, this is why you need to be deliberate in who trains you, who teaches you. But then you've got to be a good student. You've got to go, you know what? They've given me the tools I need. Now you need to focus on what they've given you as far as tasks, and now you need to be intentional in transacting, okay, what they've taught you. So don't just take the knowledge and do nothing with it. Make sure that you're leaning forward to help your clients get what they want, but more importantly, you as a life insurance agent being in a place where you can capitalize on helping others because you're better skilled up yourself. That's why mentorship is important. Having good leads is important. Leads are nothing but a great opportunity to have a conversation with a client. Leads are leverage, okay? Leads are an ability for you to help someone, leading your hand out and shake someone else's because you're helping them get what they need. So leads are important if you're a new agent. If you're feeling like you're dry, you're thirsty, maybe you don't have good leads, maybe you're in a place where you just have fear of the great unknown. When you've got good methods, good help, it's going to help you translate the business into something that's more profitable for you and make it so that you can truly stick and stay in this industry. This industry is amazing. It's freeing, but it's also frustrating when you don't have good mentors in your life, you don't have good leads, you don't have the right products. So products are important, but the ability to position the product is of equal importance. That's why underwriting help is important, making sure you got mentorship in your life to help you translate the business, to help your client get a better handshake. So when you first start out as a new agent, just take a deep breath, okay? It's not that scary. So get a good mentor. Once you have picked a good IMO, a good agency, a good upline, get good leads and get as many as you can, okay? So that you can have lots of conversations, bring great value, and then you're going to find yourself in the coming years where you've got your own oasis in the middle of the desert, okay? It won't be looking like this, but when you first start off, it can be a little dry, okay? You can go a day sometimes where you don't have a sale and you'll start losing your mind. Everything's okay, okay? The harder you work, I promise you, the luckier you will get when you've got good scripts, good training, you vetted your mentor, you vetted your upline, now you're committed, okay? A committed agent will be an agent that capitalizes and sticks and stays. So if I can serve you in any way at all, by all means reach out, jasonfinalexpense.com. But This opportunity of becoming an insurance agent that is powerful in what you do for others, but powerful in what you receive um, as far as your freedom. Okay, nobody can be as free as a telesales agent. Nobody can have the opportunity that we get to experience. We're not stuck. Okay, where a face-to-face insurance agent is absolutely stuck. They can't overcome certain things. They can't overcome geography. If they leave for vacation for a week, they're in trouble, right? A telesales agent can just take their phone, take their computer, go anywhere they want, and now they're totally fancy free, but they're in an environment where they're not like bound, okay? They want to go on vacation, you can go on vacation, do the work, get the wealth, take care of your clients. Where a face-to-face insurance agent, you're doing the good work, but you are very much limited to geography. So if you need anything at all, I appreciate you watching. JasonFinalExpense.com.